C1 sequences, example 13. In this example, we need to add up the terms from the first term up to the 100th term of this sequence here. So if you remember, this symbol here is sigma. So that means we're going to be adding up from the first term up to the 100th term of this sequence, 3r plus 1. So to start off with, let's write a few of the terms out. So if r equals 1, we've got 3 times 1, which is 3, add the 1, which is 4, so that's your first term. Then when r is equal to 2, we've got 3 times 2, which is 6, add the 1, which is 7. And then when r equals 3, we've got 3 times 3, which is 9, add the 1, which is 10. So that's the first few terms of this sequence here, 3r plus 1. So in order to work out the sum of the first 100 terms, that's going to be S100. So that's going to be the sum of the first 100 terms, and we're going to be using this formula here. Before we can use this, we need to know what A and D are and what N is. So A is the first term, so that's 4. D is the common difference. So we can see that it's going up by 3 each time, so D is going to be 3. And N, we're working out the sum of the first 100 terms, so N is 100. So now if we substitute these values into here, I've got N over 2, so I've got 100 over 2. And then I'm multiplying it by 2a, so 2 multiplied by a, so 2 multiplied by 4, which is 8, plus n minus 1, so 100 minus 1, which is 99, multiplied by d, and d is 3, so I'm going to multiply this by 3. So 100 over 2, I get 50, and then I've got 8 plus, to do 99 times 3, you could do 100 multiplied by 3 to give you 300, and then just take off 3. So 99 times 3 would be 297. So then I've got 50 multiplied by 305. Once again, another way we could do this, you could do 100 multiplied by 305, and then you could half that, and you'd get 15,250 as your sum.